So if you've already gotten a Facebook account, then you'll just come down here to the very bottom of the home page at facebook.com and click create a page. If not, go ahead and sign up and then come back to the login page and create a page. Awesome. So here we are at the first step of creating a page, and what we really want to figure out here is, are we a local business or a place? So if you're a pizza shop and you're trying to get more customers to your pizza shop, then you're going to be a local business or place. You can choose a category for a pizzeria, restaurant, cafe. You can be a company or an organization. It's probably not what I would use if I was just trying to promote affiliate products, or if I was just trying to create my own type of blog. I would probably go and lean more towards brand or product. Okay, so here in the brand or product, it can be anywhere clothing to jewelry, office supplies, things like that. So brand and product I like because really what we're creating is a brand. Okay, we're creating something with longevity, and I think brand or product is going to be probably what we want for most purposes. Now, I've got a buddy. I live in Los Angeles. A good friend of mine is trying to recreate his brand, but he's an aspiring actor. Okay, so he may come in here and choose public figure. Okay, so he may come in and choose actor, director. If you're a writer, I think there's a writer down here. So you can create a public figure page for yourself, in your chosen profession. So in this regard, you can use Facebook as a page for yourself, but don't create a profile and try to use that as a business. Okay, so don't sign up for a Facebook profile and make it a business, because Facebook will remove your account, because Facebook terms of service state that your profile can't be a business, because there's different rules for Facebook pages than there is for profiles. Profiles can reach out to people in different ways, and it's against Facebook's rules. So don't do it, okay? If you're a public figure, you can create a category here. Entertainment, any kind of events or, sports team, if you've got a studio, anything like that may be good for entertainment. And then cause or community, now this is just for maybe if you've got a non-profit or you're trying to build some awareness around something like that. Okay, so for our purposes, why don't we just stick with brand or product? Let's choose a category.